Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. So this is Zach here from XIFU. First of all, thank you for joining me this morning over here. Again, before we start, just a quick disclaimer. This section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell calls. So if you want to trade any stocks based on today's discussions over here, so make sure you got your own trading plan. Okay, you can use my XIFU trading plan available in the XIFU apps there. At least you got a proper so-called stop loss area, okay, to focus. Okay, so market still not too bullish. Yes, technical rebound, but we keep it very, very short term at this moment. Okay, so today we're gonna again just same things. Going to review some counters. If you got any counters, just let me know by typing comments below. Okay, we're gonna go through that. Good morning, Buku. Okay, but at least I see that is a so-called market is getting more active. Some of our member user is coming back. Okay, good sign. Okay, good sign. Yes, this at least since last week we got some opportunity, but like I said, keep it very short term. Okay, I think this morning over here, I saw some of the chat from our members group. Ajax, the one that is making some movement. Well, pretty good one actually. Okay, now this one definitely break resistance ready lah. Volume is pretty good. One thing is that hopefully don't turn into shooting star lah. So well, as I say, you can actually always again refer to my pullback signal. Of course, market like this sometimes yes, sometimes the success rate is a bit low. But for me, at least you can use that to check. Okay, it's the stock whether still come with strength or weaknesses or not. Okay, one of the very good example for me is that whenever there is strength coming in, okay, like for example here you don't have strength sideway here appeared right. So normally if let's say you use the low of the strength signals, right? If let's say they haven't really break below, this one still actually got chance to move up higher. Okay, so we can use some of this kind of so-called strength signal to help you to monitor if your stock still healthy or not. Okay, so one of the good example today is AGX. I think the other one is MBMR. Okay, also slowly riding in the uptrend. Okay, didn't really impacted by the weak market, but of course not very bullish as well. Riding very slowly. It kind of remind me of what I'm holding right now, Malakoff. Not too exciting, but overall still fine. Okay, they are trying to cross this R1 right now. Okay, so what you do is that you again check the strength signal. That is you can use the latest strength signal, like for example this level over here. It actually provide you a support. So for me, if let's say haven't break, I think they are still got chance, okay, to cross or even break this current R1 over here. Okay, now let's check Malakoff lah. VLB a bit disappointing lah, but I can say VLB actually the chart setup definitely is not as good as Malakoff lah. So Malakoff still holding the latest one. If you notice over here, this is a strength signal. Okay, previously somewhere around here. Okay, so for me the main one is still around this area over here. So if let's say they haven't break this level, they are still got chance, okay, to break above. Of course, right now these 2 months is really a weak market. Sideway like this is expected. Okay, for me this one is like slightly a bit longer term lah. So if you have patient one, let's check out whether they will retest around the 20 cents area or not. If not, probably want to trade on continuation of trend. Okay, later when they break this R1. Okay, so the other day I thought they crossed already, but they slammed down. Again, a bit disappointing, but volume is not that heavy, not that huge. I still feel it's okay overall for Malacca for those who are following. VLB is, like I said, it's a bit disappointing. Definitely. I thought it's gonna hold, but okay lah. Now to the opening. So for me, again, same things over here. Like you can use the latest strength signal. Okay, so here is the strength now. Actually, it's very close with the S2 lah. Okay, actually it's very close with S2. If you want to use S2, pun boleh lah. Okay, so here is the latest strength signal. If let's say break, then you have to decide very, very quickly. Okay, so for me also, I was looking into it. If let's say I feel that I will exit. Actually, Ruku mentioned about SKB shot. I forgot actually SKB shot. Last week, I keep focusing Toglev, MYEG, and VLB. Okay, I forgot about SKB shot. Actually, SKB shot is very, very good. Okay, just now I think Steven, our group, mentioned that. I checked. Yes, it's actually a nice shakeout. Okay, now jalan already. Okay, now this is a nice shakeout lah. So if you ask me, the nice support area is somewhere around this level over here. 94 cents, 90 cents. Actually, S1 also pretty good lah. Okay, S1 level on the 94 cents area. Okay, possible support area for EP. For EP, now moving out a little bit lah, but for me, there's still room to go. So of course, right now, if you want to enter, probably want to enter somewhere around R2 area. Okay, risk to reward is not the best right now. Okay, but I think overall the setup wise, it can be strength. Okay, so for me, I don't think, I'm not sure whether I still have a chance to get at 94 cents or not. Maybe 1 ringgit lah, 1 ringgit or 98 cents area lah. Okay, I probably park my other somewhere around here, because here also like a mini resistance before it reach S2 lah. S1 looks like also a mini resistance, okay, before it reach this R2 level right here somewhere around this area. So we got one here previously. Okay, I'm not sure whether it will hit or not. Maybe it will drop a little bit back again, sideways before it break lah. So I try to aim around this area, whether I can get a nicer price with a lower risk, higher rewards. Okay, so sometimes yes, if let's say my risk to reward ratio is not that ideal, okay, I will probably wait for a while. Okay, if let's say the break goes up, sometimes too bad lah. Wait for the next pullback. Okay, pullback always happen, especially right now. It's not a very so-called bullish market, okay, at this moment here. All right. So again, if you're here with me, thank you for joining me this morning. If you like my daily section over here, help me to click the like buttons. Help me to share this out. Type a 8 for me. Okay, type a 8 for me. Okay, so that we have more viewers. Okay, joining us this morning, we can grow our this so-called live Facebook over here. Okay, any counters you want me to look into, type it below there so that we can study together. If not, I just go to my pullback stock. Let's see anything that is appear now. Thank you, Ali. Thank you for your support, right? So if you are here again, type a 8 for me so that I know you are here first of all. You got this counter, just let me know. Okay, okay, Tenaga boring lah, but I'm still holding half lah. If let's say today got higher volume, I think it's a pullback complete. Oh, okay, not bad. Just now morning I saw it's a small candle lah, so that's why not exciting. Okay, so here okay lah. Today boleh lah. How many percent up? Okay, 1.6%. Okay, because it's a blue chip stocks. Okay, so a small one. Okay, but overall I think okay. Okay, I still riding for my long term for this one. Okay, nothing to shout about lah. It's just a continuation of trend. Hopefully, okay, it can cross the 15 ringgit successfully. All right, so there's the Naga. Let's try Kejaya. Kejaya also looks like going to do reversal, but today no volume lah. Okay, need to have some volume lah. Okay, Mr. DIY, but still in the morning lah. I'm not sure lah, but looks like volume not so convincing. Sometimes even though morning, right, you can see a very obvious volume, but this one up with no volume. Sometimes I have to wait for a while. Okay. Okay, SY Group, not so nice also. SY Group is rebounding, but for me, this is more like technical rebound. Okay, up below volume, need to be careful. Sometimes you aim for the small profit. Okay, you take profit, then you monitor again. Okay, CCK, oh yeah, 8 counters. 8 counters also a bit slow down already. Okay, so looks like CCK find the support already right now. Now let's into LHI. Forgot to check my LHI this morning. Okay, LHI, okay lah, right? But I think they will maybe pull back because it looks like the momentum's a bit slowing down already. So for those who haven't entered yet, I think 67 cents, a good chance, okay, to enter with the pullbacks. Okay, but right now I'm still holding. Hopefully up a little bit, I can take a little bit of profits there. Hey, this morning also macam tak banyak stock. Seng Fong not bad. Okay, Seng Fong. Okay, Seng Fong. Few things. Seng Fong I think is quite nice overall, because first actually a whole gap. Okay, right now looks like they're crossing back to 2040. I don't think there will be a momentum yet at this moment. Okay, but at least maybe they will try the R2 level. Okay, R2 level pun boleh lah, around less than 10% level. I think it's okay for Seng Fong. Something to watch out for. Okay, something to watch out for, because normally I like the stocks tested by whole gaps. Okay, so this is more of them. Okay, Now, yes, K plus, I forgot about following some glove counters. YTL power. YTL, I think yesterday closing is not that convincing, but let's check later on. Okay, okay, this one, I'm not sure. Okay, this one, still okay as long as the gap still there, still holding around the gap area. Okay, best one, stay above 275. Okay, for Jane, if let's say you're really interested. Okay, stay above 275 is the best one. Drop below, I think you avoid first. Okay, but for me right now, in terms of glove, okay, of course, glove, they follow the Taiko one. If let's say Taiko move, everything also move. So like Hata move, Top move, I believe K also move. Okay, but for me right now, Top Glove so far, I still think it's worth to watch out for. Okay, in fact, actually, I've tried to get, I'm not sure whether 106 I can manage to get or not. Okay, a bit kiasu one, a bit stingy one. So 106 I'm trying to get. Now yesterday come with low volume also. Let me hide this. Okay, yesterday come with low volume also. Okay, some insider buy lah. Kumpulan wang besar is the EPF is it? I think it's the EPF lah. So here also, Puan Seri Tong Tan Seri, Dr. Lim Wee Chai is buying also. Mr. Lim Hoi Sin is buying also. Okay, so looks like recently got more insider buying happening around this area. Also, hopefully this is like a accumulation. I'm not sure. Okay. 106, I'm looking into it. As long as it drop, retest support with low volume, I think that I was still interested to look into. Okay, glove. Okay, but I want to do a little bit short term. Maybe 10%. I happy to take some partial profits. Okay, so Hata Lega, let's do some glove. I will look into IWCT, YTL Power. Let me know any other counters I need to look into. Okay, Hata Lega still okay, still the same as well. Okay, recently also I think this is kumpulan 1%. I think it's EPF lah. So because usually is KWSP right? KWSP, I think it's EPF lah. Okay, so here IWCT. Let's look into IWCT. Recently property construction having some movement. Yesterday is a bad closing. Okay, now yesterday need to watch out. Actually, I didn't really follow IWCT that much. Okay, because for me the long-term trend is still haven't formed yet. Okay, yesterday is not a good closing. Okay, now few reasons why. Okay, again, gap area is always an important area. Okay, so gap down is resistance, gap up is support. So that's why I say Sengfong is nice. Gap down, usually this is the area that you want to watch out. Is there any sell weakness? Okay, sell weakness, like for example here, shooting star. Okay, which means this area here got a lot of people selling. Okay, if let's say got people buying, normally they will close with up bar, up candle. Okay, again, yesterday, if you notice also, volume is very high. Okay, now the other thing we can do is that we zoom down into hourly chart so we can get more so-called information on what happening yesterday. Okay, so yesterday, yeah, gap around this area also. Okay, if you notice. Okay, gap at this area. So yeah, this is the candle that actually have more volume. Okay, so which means maybe they want to break, fill the hole, and then lots of people have selling into this candle also. Okay, so looks like it's not a great so far. Okay, again, I'm not sure market is funny sometimes. Okay, now JC, if you are looking for entry right now, I think slightly the risk is slightly a bit high. Okay, because yesterday is a weak candle. Okay, what you can do if you are looking for entry, you wait for a few days. If let's say they are holding back around the gap area, I think it's still okay. You want to enter, can enter. Okay, because sometimes hit here, it will pull back, deep one, schedule off, then goes up again. Okay, so let's say this period hold well, I think okay, it's fine. You want to enter, can enter. But if you already entered looking for exit, this is a good area for me. Again, personally for me, I'm not doing the buy and sell call. You have to decide your own. But normally, if I see this, I will at least lock profit if I still got profits. Okay, I will lock profit because normally this kind of candle shooting star, especially in downtrend, right? I tend to don't really like that. Okay, so now YTL, I think YTL also yesterday got a shooting star. Okay, somewhere yeah. So rejection shooting star. Okay, so for example here, notice here, right, goes up the 40 MA. Okay, here also 20 MA. So like I say, sometimes when I use 2040 moving average, it's not for me to decide buy to sell. It's for me to check whether this stock come with strength or weakness. Okay, so it looks like yesterday also they crossed 20 MA, but it dropped back with some weakness. Okay, of course today still hold lah. Okay, but if let's say they drop below 20 MA, I think it's not a very good setup at this moment. Okay, so like I said last week during my live Facebook, now it's good for technical rebound. What it means by technical rebound, it's a bit similar like uptrend and pullback lah. So but this is in downtrend. They drop, goes up, resistance, drop, goes up, resistance. Maybe it will drop. Okay, so good for like short-term opportunity. So JC, this one is for long-term, short-term. You need to let me know. Okay, but I believe a lot of people looking for long-term for YTR and YTR power. Okay, so YTR power, if long-term wise, looking into the chart, they already break the 40 MA. Okay, so I think yesterday we also got talk about this. Break 40 MA, normally there's a change, big change in the trend. Okay, either I'm not sure whether it go to downtrend or not. I'm not sure. Okay, I think worst come to worst is that they will actually sideways for a long period of time. Okay, they'll sideways a long period of time. Okay, but I haven't seen any good support yet for me. Okay, if let's say you're looking for long term, weekly chart, definitely the trend is getting weaker. Why can I say that? Okay, based on weekly chart. Okay, because you're looking for long term, right? Okay, what I can show you, I think it is something like Uchitech. I remember a few years ago, Uchitech. Also, very slow and steady type. Is it this one? Yeah, something like this. Something like here. So this is like Uchitech. Okay, it goes up climatically, like what happened to now YTL, very hot. So once they cross the 40 MA, cross 40 MA, normally the trend is going to weak for a while. Okay, you're not going to do a continuation trend anymore. All right, so expect like a long period of sideways. Some counters can take 6 months, some counter can take a year. Like in this case over here, this should take 2 years. Okay, for them to move up again. Okay, so yeah, something that I think you should at least bear in mind. Okay, whenever you trade this kind of counters. Okay, so here again, I learned to YTR power as well. Again, same things. They cross the 2040s already. They break below the 40 MA. So recently, I think they're doing technical rebound. Okay, last week up, but volume is not that fantastic. Okay, volume is not that fantastic. Okay, so maybe you hit here, sideways, drop again a little bit. All right. So for those that who interested in YTR power, okay, if let's say me if I want to do long term for this again, no need to follow me because this is my method, but sometimes I'm wrong. So what I do is that I'll wait here, okay, for them to retest second time. Okay, at least I know that when they retest second time successfully, potentially this is a nice support. Okay, if not, sometimes they goes up, you started exit, drop lower. Unless unless you know how to lock profit when they goes up, they're okay. All right, so hopefully that's my opinion only for YTR power. Okay, again I might be wrong. Okay, but based on daily, weekly chart right now, the trend is slightly weakening. Okay, the trend is slightly weakening. Okay, now time.com. Time.com also boring stock This one also boring stock. Okay, now this one also I need to rely on weekly because the movement is not that active. Okay, most of the time. Okay, reaccumulation again good for long term. Okay, if you are looking for buy hold one, I think okay. Now let's go into the analyzer. This is my FA, so-called FA ratings. Okay, FAY this on. Okay, now this actually for those who don't know, I actually got two part. This part over here we are looking into FA. We are using Petrosky F score. Here is looking into TA. Okay, you can look into from short terms to long term. Okay, so here we actually have this so-called rating S representing short term, M middle terms, L long term. Okay, so you notice the rating is a bit low, including the long term one. So which means trend wise no trend. Okay, at this moment, short term, mid term, long term, no trend. Okay, so that's why the rating is super low here. All right. So for FA wise, still bully, 5 out of 9. Okay, at least it's moderate. So if you want to do a little bit long term, I think it's okay, right? So now let's into YTL lah. Since just now JC say want to do long term for YTL, right? Malacca I still holding. Okay, I think fine. Okay, so here also notice the rating for technical TA not nice. Okay, short term not good, mid term not good, long term still okay lah. 15%, boleh lah, but it's not very bullish. Okay, so here 7 out of 9 FAY is good. Okay, so if you buy purely based on FAYs, okay, is there, the analysis is there. So this is again for a quick analysis for those that who probably not sure about technical analysis or FA. For me, I know TA, I don't know FA, so I have to rely on this. So if you know FA, you don't know TA, probably want to check out, okay, the ratings over here. We do actually put a lot of time and study, okay, into here. So like it will help you actually to check whether short term okay, mid term okay, or long term okay. All right. Now let's get into Malakoff lah, since JC also mentioned Malakoff. Okay, but Malakoff just now we review already. Okay, Toglev I will do that too because I'm looking for entry as well at 106. So okay, now for Malakoff FA so okay, 4 out of 9. Okay, but TA wise is good. Okay, so that's why I enter based on chart patterns. Okay, so here 6 out of 10. Okay, so if you notice, short term okay, 60%, mid term 64%, long term 70%. Okay, so which means this stock at least is trending up. Okay, again, this is how we're going to read. Okay, based on our analysis over here. So buying purely based on FA probably is not the best choice. Okay, but on technical wise, yes, it's good. Okay, now let's into Toglev. Toglev, let's see the ratings. Then we go to the chart again. Okay, before we end our sections. So Toglev also FA wise, if you want to buy purely based on FA, it's not that great at this moment. Okay, not the best one. Okay, TA okay, 6 out of 10. Okay, so again, short term 64%, mid term a bit slowing down. Okay, but overall chart for longer terms, okay, 68% also. So which means it's at least it's moving. Okay, this counter over here. So okay, now let's into Toglev again before we end our section. Okay, switch back to daily chart. Okay, today, yeah, still very strong, 109. Low volume some more. Okay. Actually, this is a shakeout complete and very nice retest above the shakeout completes. Per se, for me, I'm looking 106. I'm not sure whether I will hit or not. But let's see how I queue until this Friday. If dapat, if tak dapat, we focus on that. The other one is MIEG. Okay. MIEG started a bit weak already. Okay, oh yeah, yesterday not a good closing. Luckily, I didn't enter for this. Okay, yes, that's why sometimes it's good for monitor for a few days because after a few days, you know whether it's good to enter or not. Okay, especially I think just now one of the stock, IWCT, right? IWCT, that's why I say IWCT, if you want to enter right now, you wait for a few days. Okay, because this, like for example here, Shooting Star. Okay, this one still hold well, but this one pop, drop lower already. That's cantik already. Okay, but again, we monitor for a few more days also. Okay, IWCT also got this candle. Okay, Shooting Star candle. Hold well for a few days, I think okay. But let's say they start to drop lower. Okay, maybe you avoid first. Okay, wait for the next setups to form. Can you look at last one, AGX? Okay, sure. AGX also we review already, very good momentum, cross R1. Tommy, I'm not sure you're looking for entry, exit. Entry right now definitely is not a very good risk to ratio. Exit, of course, it hit R2. Okay, good to lock some profits. Okay, today actually it goes up straight away, hit R2. But because of the hour also very close. Okay, I've been testing the hour for a few days already. Finally, it crossed. Okay, so if you are looking for exit, yes, I think good to lock some profits. Okay, good to lock some profit. Volume is very good so far. Okay, this morning on the very first trading hour. So far, so good, no weaknesses. Okay, so if you want to check, no 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart too short already. You go to our chart. Okay, again, for those that who needs live chart, live data, subscribe to XIFU. It's only 20 ringgit a month. You get live chart, everything, so that you can actually look into a small time frame. Okay, sometimes when market, your stock is active, moving like this, it's good to look into hourly chart or even 30-minute chart. Okay, so if you look into like 30-minute chart, because on an all-time high, it's a bit difficult to check the resistance. Okay, so what I do is that I look into small time frame like hourly chart, 30-minute chart to check whether it got shooting star or not. Shooting star normally form resistance, or maybe it will pull back or drop one. Okay, so if I see small time frame got shooting star, high volume, okay, you lost some profit lah. Okay, it's only turning every month. Okay, so you can get all this live chart, uh, live notification, even analyst report when it's updated, the news, everything you get notification. Okay, put in your watch list. Like for example, AGS, you put in your watch list every time when there's news or maybe covered by analysts, it will update you. Okay, so that you can follow your stocks. All right. So once again, thank you for joining me this morning over here. Hopefully, you all got a nice section together with me this morning. Like I said, if you like my section, help me to share this out. Help me to click the like buttons. We got this Telegram group. Join my Telegram. Okay. If you are in the Telegram, also don't be shy. Be more active. Ask some questions. Okay. We got some members over there. We learn together in the groups. Okay. So with this, thank you, and I will see you tomorrow morning.